I'm HVAC repair guy, a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in residential HVAC, having fixed thousands of heating systems. Today, my goal is to help you understand what actually matters when buying a boiler, not just reading brochures. We're comparing the Pennco Keystone KWC and the Solaia Series. On paper, both supply dependable heat, but once you look past marketing claims, important differences emerge. Most homeowners assume the biggest question is efficiency, but that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you will spend owning and maintaining the boiler over 15 to 20 years. The single biggest technical difference between these two cast iron units comes down to efficiency ratings and heat exchanger warranty protection. The Pennco Keystone KWC comes with an 86.2% AFUE rating, while the Solaia series comes in slightly higher at 87% AFUE. AFUE is like your car's miles per gallon rating. It tells you how much oil turned directly into usable heat versus going out the chimney. That 0.8% difference is virtually imperceptible on your winter fuel bill, amounting to just a few dollars a year. Neither boiler uses complex condensing technology, which keeps the mechanical design straightforward and reliable for standard oil heating setups. The real divergence shows up in heat exchanger coverage. Think of the heat exchanger as the boiler's heart. Pennco covers their cast iron heat exchanger with a 20-year warranty, whereas Solaia offers a lifetime warranty. Both brands back their electronic components with a standard 1-year warranty. Solaia's longer heat exchanger coverage gives you extra peace of mind against major structural leaks down the road. What brochures won't tell you is that annual maintenance matters far more than brand reputation. Oil boilers require regular burner cleanings, nozzle replacements, and combustion tune-ups to stay efficient and reliable. Additionally, installation quality completely dictates performance. An average boiler installed by a skilled technician will outperform a high-end unit installed poorly every single time. In terms of cost, the Pennco Keystone KWC typically runs around $2,800 for the bare equipment, while the Solaia series sits near $3,100. Solaia costs roughly $300 more upfront, but that extra cost is justified by the lifetime heat exchanger warranty and slightly higher efficiency rating over a 20-year operational lifespan. Pennco is probably better for homeowners looking to minimize initial equipment purchase costs while getting a reliable, basic cast iron workhorse. Solaia is better for homeowners willing to pay a small upfront premium for long-term warranty protection. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Solaia series. The small extra cost upfront easily pays for itself through lifetime heat exchanger protection and solid long-term value.